how to send money from Truist to Cash App. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you send money from Truist to Cash App. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Cash App on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on your profile icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then you have to tap on linked bank accounts. Over here, you have to tap on link bank. Then tap on continue. After that, you have to search for Truist and then tap on it. Then it will ask you to enter the credentials for a Truist bank account. After that, you have to move back to the main page of the Cash App. Over here, you have to tap on the dollar sign, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then just tap on Add Cash. After that, just enter the amount that you want to send and click on Add. After that, it will ask you to enter your PIN. So just enter it and tap on Next. So that's how you can send money from Truist to Cash App. That's all for this video.